how to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to explain a method that will allow you to make money with affiliate marketing. So basically the idea is you go to Amazon, you create an account on Amazon Associates to get this bar right here, and from this bar you can click on text, and then you can take your affiliate links for every page you're in. So for example, in this page we can just click on text and we'll take this link that will lead us to this page, to this exact page. And for this page that I've just clicked on it, look, it's downloading now, and it will create another link for this exact page. So I think you get the idea, guys. So let's go back, and after creating all this, you go to pinterest.com and you create your account on pinterest.com. And pinterest.com is the platform that we're going to use to promote these affiliate links. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose a niche. So a niche is the audience that you're going to target. Something like men's health, vehicles, Islamic art, luxury cars, funny quotes, and you have a lot of niches. And for this video I'm going to choose the financial services and consulting niche. So I'm going to search for the viral posts on this niche, and I'm going to select a post, and I'm going to re-upload that post on my account. And guys, make sure you change the posts, that just take ideas from these posts and make your own posts, because your account will be deactivated if you just take other people's posts and re-upload them on your account. So that this is just an example, but guys, don't take people's posts and re-upload them, because your account will be deactivated. So you make sure to go to canva.com. I think you all know canva.com, and then you will be able to create your own posts. Or you can go to TikTok and take videos from there and re-upload them right here. So for this video I'm going to choose this post. For example, let's go back, this is for websites. So let's choose another post, business advisory services. Let's choose this one, Bestfolio. So this is just an example. I'm just showing you how you can create the posts I'm talking about. So after taking the image, we hit create idea. So you go to create, and you click on create idea pin, and you click on create idea pin, open in a new tab, and here you can create, you click on create new, and here you can drop your picture and your post will be created. After that, then you need to leave your the title of the post, description, and add your link, and then add tags. And make sure, guys, to add as much tags as you can, and make sure the tags are related to your niche, because the tags is the main factor that will help our post to go viral, and it will help it to show on the home feed of the platform, and it will help us reach a lot of audience and a new audience. So let's take the title from the previous, from this. So this is not the one that we took, this is the one. So let's take the title, just copy. As I said before, don't do this, guys. Make sure to create your own posts, because your account will be deactivated if you keep taking other people's posts. So don't risk your accounts, guys. And leave our description. Then we will go to search for a product that matches our niche, and we will get the link of that product and leave it right here. So let's go to amazon.com and let's type in our niche. So after typing our niche, we click search, and here we have a lot of books about this niche. So we go to featured right here and we choose best sellers, and we scroll down and we check this products and see if we can find a product that has a good price like this, that will leave us a good margin or a good commission. So let's go with this one. It's not very old, it's from 2019. So here, as you can see, $70 for the paperback and $28 for the hardcover and $21 for the Kindle version. So let's take the text from here, and this is the link that will take us to this exact same page. So let's go to Pinterest and let's leave our link, and then we proceed to the next step, which is adding tags. So let's see how much tags we can find related to this niche. Let's start with finance. Let's go with finance literacy. Finance tips. So make sure to choose as much tags as you can find. Finance book. Finance tax and accounting software. So I think you get the idea, guys. You just choose as much tags as you can find, and after you are done with choosing your tags, you go back to here and you check the title, check description. So always check your posts before publishing them to make sure everything is set right. Check also your link. Take the link, copy it, and check if it's working. So as you see, it's working perfectly. It took us to the same page we have here. So let's close these tabs, and then let's hit publish, and your post will be published in a second. So after publishing your post, and for this method to work, guys, I advise you to upload from 10 to 20 posts each day, and of course stick with one niche. Don't jump from niche to niche, because that is very bad for your audience and for your niche and for reaching the perfect audience you want to reach. So build a brand with your Pinterest account, and if you want to work on various niches, make various accounts. For every niche, create another account. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.